He is trapped on a deserted island and is about to go meet God. But just as he is about to take that final step, he suddenly notices a man drifting toward the shore. This instantly gives him a glimmer of hope, so he wants to step closer to check it out. Luckily the rope is not very strong, which allows Hank to break free. Hank tries to wake the man up, but then hears strange noises coming from the man's stomach. Seeing that the man shows no signs of life, Hank pulls off his belt and starts carrying out his original plan again. However, just as he is trying to build up the courage again, the man's farting keeps echoing in his ears. Just as Hank looks back at the man, he witnesses something unbelievable. Gas suddenly starts blasting out of the man's stomach non-stop, and incredibly it starts propelling him forward across the sea. Seeing this, Hank becomes extremely excited. He finally sees hope again, and immediately abandons his original plan, because he realizes the man's violent non-stop farts can work like a jet ski to get him out of here. So he picks up a rope from the shore, and chases after the constantly moving man. He even ties the rope around him, riding on him and using him as transportation. As the island that trapped him fades farther and farther away, Hank becomes more and more excited, because at this speed he will return to modern society very soon.
Azona.
Azona. Azona. Azona. Azona. Azona. Azona. Azona.